Hi everyone, it's my first TechNet video. Today I'll be showing you how to edit your green screen footage using Premiere Pro. You can also use After Effects for this. There's another video on TechNet showing you how to do this. You should get pretty similar results. However, After Effects might give you some more options in terms of adjusting your settings. But if your footage is well lit, then this shouldn't really be an issue. In the end, it comes down to what software you're more comfortable with. You can try both of them and see which one you prefer or which one works best with your footage. So here we are on Premiere Pro. I have imported my footage and created a sequence. We have this clip of Shia LaBeouf on a green screen background. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the green part, and it's very simple. What we're gonna do is go to the Effects tab, and if you can't see this screen, you just click on Effects here at the top. And what you're gonna do is search for Ultra Key. And when you found it, just apply it by clicking, holding, and dragging it to your clip. Nothing will happen, don't worry about it. Now we will go to the Effect Controls tab. You will see that Ultra Key has now been applied. Now what you need to do is tell the software what color you want to remove. Click on the little eyedropper here and click on any green part, and just like that, it's gone. It may not look perfect, that's okay because there's lots of settings here to adjust. Now depending on your footage, you might have to adjust different things, but generally you can solve almost all of your problems by doing these two things. One is going to setting and changing from default to aggressive, and as you can see, that made my image so much sharper already. Now if that's not enough, you open matte generation and essentially just play with these settings. So transparency, highlights, shadow, tolerance, and pedestal. And generally this is gonna help remove most of that background noise. So what you're looking for is to remove all of the green from the clip. Now my footage looks pretty good as it is, so to see this green screen in action, get another clip and drag it to your timeline. Now don't forget to put the background on the track below the one with the green screen. So I'm gonna move Shia up a track and drag the background to track 1. Now you can see if the green screen is working properly. Even if there are any imperfections, you can always go back to the Effect Controls tab and adjust the parameters. As you can see, this is a pretty good example because this clip is really well lit and we removed the green screen pretty easily, and now Shia LaBeouf is under the sea.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Yeah, so this is how you edit your green screen footage using Premiere Pro.